Không có tới đây không? Đây, đây, chỗ này này nó mới đẹp này. Đây, cái góc này anh ơi.
Hi friends, welcome. So today we're still here in Da Nang. This is our second to the last day. Imagine. So we arrived yesterday. Nag-ano na lang kami, nag-rent ng taxi from Hoi An to Da Nang. Di bali ang kinuha namin is yung nakilala namin doon sa coconut boat, yung nag-help sa amin na mag-book ng Grab. Kasi kinuha niya yung WhatsApp ko. So, after nun, parang lagi siyang nagte-text. So, tinatanong niya sa kami pupunta and everything. So, nahiya naman ako. So, siya na rin kinuha namin. And medyo okay naman siya kasi he's very, friendly. And then, lagi niya kami ina-advise kung anong gagawin namin. And today, since pupunta kami sa Bana, siya na rin na kinuha namin. So, ang fare is 750,000 for 4 persons. Yung lang yun van lang. And then the ticket, sabi niya, sasamahan daw niya kaming kumuha and para hindi kami siguro maloko doon or hindi magkaroon ng problema. And pa nga sabi niya, okay naman siya kasi sabi niya, depende daw kung magandang panahon, tsaka niya kami dadalhin sa Bana. Kung hindi, huwag na lang. O diba? Here at Bana Hill. Yan, sumakay muna kami ng bus to go to the main gate. Kailangan yung don't forget to buy ticket. Yung na-rent naming van, siya na nagsabi kung saan kami bibili. So, we bought the ticket at around 950,000 dong. Ticket lang yung binili namin, hindi na namin kinuha yung with buffet lunch. Kasi marami namang kainan doon. So, doon na lang kami pipili sa loob. So, yun nga. So, the first step is get a ticket and then ride this bus going to the foot of the hill. Wow, how nice! Look! Ayun friends, so nandito na kami sa entrance and look, there's the cable car. Actually, marami daw cable car dito, 6 siya, 6 lines. So, included na siya dito sa ticket na binili namin, which is 950,000. Ayun friends, so nandito tayo sa sakayan ng cable car. Grabe, ang daming tao. It's already 9 o'clock here. Medyo late na kaming sinundo. So, sabi niya, punta raw muna kami doon sa pinakatuktok at then ihuhuli na namin yung Golden Bridge o yung may kamay. Kasi masyado daw madaming tao at this moment. Guys, I suggest huwag na kayong bumili ng ticket na yung may buffet. Kasi sa totoo lang, ang daming restaurant dito. Hindi kayo magugutom. Makakapili pa kayo, di ba? May dog. So, before going to the cable car, malayo pa lalakarin ninyo. So, better wear comfortable shoes. Yeah, friends, so this is the cable car. It can fit 10 persons per cabin. Okay. Yeah. Only 4 lang. Ang init.
There's no aircon?
Yeah, there's no aircon inside. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's fast.
My heart is beating like crazy right now.
Ayan na, here.
Oh my
yun. Ayan, look, friends. Ano daw yan? 6 na line.
Fuck, shit.
Oh yeah, 1, 2.
Hey, look. At ako, ilalim.
Hindi naman mukhang ano. Ayan, so merong pababa, may pataas.
Hindi mo siya may bay? Ha?
How nice though, there's a river.
Okay na.
Huwag mo akong gulo. Meron na nga!
Bagis!
So ayan, may nalulula na dito sa katabi ko, sa kasama.
Nag-concentrate ako. Huwag kayong magulo.
So friends, yung bili namin sa ticket is 950,000. Ano lang yun, ticket lang. Hindi na namin kinuha yung may buffet lunch. If you want with buffet, it's 1,290,000. Kaya ito na lang. Marami namang kainan dito. So, makakapili kayo kung anong kakainin ninyo. Kasi baka may hindi naman masarap yung sa buffet. So, look at the back! Oh! Hailey! Having her birthday here in Bana Hills!
Bebe!
So, nakababa na kami ng ng cable. Grabe. Siguro mga rin siya, 5 or 7 minutes. Medyo mahaba-haba. And nahilo kami doon sa loob. Ewan ko ba, siguro sa sobrang taas na or sa sobrang bagal. I don't know. So, right now, we're here naman sa Golden Bridge at dito kami bumaba. So, sa Animan line niya. So, sumunod lang kami sa mga tao. Hindi namin alam na yung per line pala is depende kung saan ka bababa. So, ngayon nandito kami sa may kamay. Dapat ito rin yung pinakahuli, sabi nung driver. Kaya lang, wala eh. Dito kami napunta. So friends, this is the reality of the Golden Bridge. Ang daming tao, di ba? Everywhere is going to the castle. They're just gonna take you some places first. Your friends, look at the daanan. Ayan, merong marble. Ay, yung parang ganun-ganun. And then, meron yung hagdan. So, yung mga mag-heels dyan, mga balak mag-heels for the pictures, forget it. Kasi hindi kayo magiging komportable.
Really? Really? Look, smile. So I prefer walking around para makita natin yung kabuuan ng ng area. Yan. So today, right now, nandito naman tayo sa pagoda. So yung friends, nagpunta kami doon sa French Village. Tapos, yung mga tao doon, yung mga staff, pinalakad kami ng pinalakad lang niya. Ano lang pala, pinaikot lang kami, tapos sumakay ulit kami ng ng cable, ay ng tram, paakyat naman. Hindi naman namin nakakita na yung kabuuan ng French Village. Sorry. So, ngayon, pupunta naman kami doon sa taas. Sa try namin pumunta talaga doon sa taas kasi gusto nang mag-rides ni Hailey. Ayan, so doon kami pupunta sa castle. Parang it reminds me of the Universal Studio na Harry Potter. Yeah. Yan friends, so we're on our way to the Sun Kingdom. And grabe ang fog. Only 5 minutes ago, nakita pa natin yung castle. Now, hindi na. Ayan, nagaano yung fog. Umaalis. Hailey, that's where you want to ride?
Hindi natin yung pababa na.
Okay. Sa ang daming cable, So friends, Alpine Coaster ticket is 70,000 Vietnamese dong. Magkano yun? Basta yun na yun. So hindi siya kasama doon sa 950 na binayaran na ticket nung pagpunta rito. Only cable car ang kasama doon. Ishan! I don't know. Yay! Happy birthday, Hailey! It's so fast! Oh my God! I hate you! I'm your camera. Ay! Woo! Guys, 70,000 dong! Sulit na sulit! Isa pa ulit, isa pa. One more, Hailey? No na? Woo! Woo! Yun! We're going up now! Yan friends, so we just finished the Alpine Coaster. Grabe ang sigaw ko. Ang bilis kasi. Nakakatakot nung una. And then we got the picture. May I see the picture? So, this is for 90,000 dong. Look! So, mga ano siguro, $180 or mga 190 pesos. Pwede na, di ba? Memories. Ayan. And then, pagkalabas nyo, meron ditong mga amusement park din. Mga rides. Ang cute. Yan. And friends, dito merong malaking Pop Mart. Ayan. So, someone wants to go inside na naman. And that one is a restaurant. Dito, puro restaurant dito.
Nasa harap ang restaurant.
Oh, ayan.
Hindi ko yung dinaanan. Sige.
So friends, nandito kami sa loob ng Pop Mart. The usual, the little girl wants to buy. Look, grabe ang taas, oh. Hanggang ilang floor to. Wow! So there, friends, ayan, nasa taas kami. Laki nitong Pop Mart, pero ano lang siya, onti lang yung tinda. More on hagdan. So if ever you're here in Da Nang, you can come here sa Sabana Hills Pop Mart. So, what are you going to buy, Macy? Cry baby.
Gosh, 来猜吗？来猜吗？I'm so excited！ 今天是我生日哦，最好是给我要。
Your wish on your birthday.
Yeah.
Sana daw pagbigyan na siya kasi birthday niya. Sana yung gusto niya yung nasa loob.
Oh my god. Did I... Wait.
It's wrong again. Oh, sorry.
But at least I got the ears talaga. But why is it green?
What do you like ba? Which
I want
one?
the pink one or the blue one. It's okay.
Okay, happy birthday. Dito meron din yung ano, yung machine. And of course, the little girl. So wait lang, Hili. Okay.
The poet.
Macy.
The poet is soft.
The poet is soft. Baliw. Okay. So that is the tram going up. may craft.
French Village.
French Village! Oh, meron ding Starbucks there. So, wow, how nice. Ayun pala yung castle na nakikita natin.
Let's cheers for Haley's spotlight.
Ooh, what a smell!
Ang dami ng tao dito kanina, hindi pa ganyan.
Oo. Paghapon na siguro. Ay, dito yun! Oh, ayan, no? This is what the, yung Harry Potter sa Universal itsura. So friends, ang daming restaurant over here sa may French Village. Hinahanap namin yung free na beer. Kasi binigyan kami ng coupon kanina at meron daw free. Ayun yung Beer Plaza. Ikutin na lang natin. Wow, it's so cute here. It really looks like French Village. Kasi ang ganda ng pagkakaano niya. Oh, this is a hotel. Ano ba yan?
600.
Oh.
Bangbaw.
Hindi para kang baliw. So, ang daming rito, friends. Mga seafoods, restaurant. Siguro mura lang. Ay, hindi. Feeling ko mahal. Hindi kasi kami mahilig sa seafood. That's why hindi kami kumakain doon. So here's the free beer. For all the beer lovers, you have a beer. They have a beer plaza here. Yeah. So Haley wants to watch this, the Afterglow cabaret show. The cabaret show, it's only 18 years old and above. Sorry, wait till you're 18. So we found it, the Habana Brew Plaza. Is this for free ba talaga? This one?
This way?
That right? Okay, so this is the free coupon. Don't worry, beer happy. Hello.
So downstairs?
Downstairs. Okay.
对对对。
Check in at the gate. Explore the third floor. Where are they? Iniwan na ako ng mga kasama ko. Wow! So this is the beer brew. Look. Daming beer na to. Shout out to all my friends. Mga mahilig mag-beer. So, bababa muna tayo doon to see the ano siguro, yung process. We're gonna explore the brewery first. Ito yung beer nila, Sun Craft Beer. Ano kayang masarap dyan? So, ayan, nandito na tayo sa beer station. Daming tao. Food station. Ayan, friends. So, dito nyo kukunin yung beer ninyo. Can you hear me? Okay. So, we're gonna have 4 kasi may dalawa kaming ticket. Sayang si Hailey hindi kumuha ng isa. Para sa food, no? Hindi siya inabutan na. Thank you! Yes! It's good? Relax naman!
Can I try?
No.
Just bitter. I know, just one this.
Yeah, cheers! Ang sarap! Ang sarap nito. Ibang flavor to. Hindi, iba-iba to. 5 flavor to eh. Ito pareho ata.
Pareho lang?
Hindi mo ba? Masarap siya. So, try nyo. Pag nandito kayo, it's free. Don't forget to get the coupon. Itago nyo at meron kayong free na beer or free na food. Cheers! Happy birthday, Hailey! Thanks for the treat! Meron siyang church. Wow, how nice. And it's a Catholic church nga. We found a Catholic church. How nice. So, ayan friends, may nakita kaming Catholic church dito. Friends, look at the people. Parang lahat ng tourist sa Danang dito nagpunta. We thought na paghapon na uunti na tao, mas marami pala. Yan. So, kakalakad namin ito yung nakita namin church. So, for now, babalik kami dun sa may sa pinanggalingan namin kanina kasi kailangan nila mag-charge ng phone. Yung friends, kung din nagpunta kayo dito tapos nawalan kayo ng mga charger, ay ng mga ng battery, ayan, merong free charging station dito, diba? Pipili na lang kayo kung ang anong cord yung gagamitin. At itong dalawa naman nagpapamassage for only $20 at 20 Vietnamese dong. Masarap ba?
Mabait ka ba dyan?
Yan. So, friends, we're going down. Tapos na kaming ikot-ikot sa taas. Napagod na kami. Masyadong malaki. Hindi mo nakakapagod kasi napakadaming cable ang sasakyan. Ang daming cable car. Kailangan sakyan. But anyways, ayun, nag-enjoy na naman ako ng bandang huli kasi sumakay kami dun sa Alpine Coaster. As you can see, tuwang-tuwa ako. And nakakapamili din kami ng mga kung ano-ano. So, if ever you're planning to come down here sa Danang, you can visit Bana Hills. But if you don't like this kind of activities, okay din lang. Ano lang siya, if ever na nakapunta na kayo sa Sun World ng Sapa, halos pareho din lang. Pinagkaiba lang is doon ang attraction doon is yung train, and here naman is yung kamay, yung Golden Bridge. But actually, sa Golden Bridge, as in picture-picture lang talaga. So, ayan guys, so tonight, we're going back to the hotel and then take a rest, then going to celebrate Hailey's birthday. Yes. Wow, happy birthday. Thank you, Mr. Hong. Thank you. I don't know, you ask na lang. Thank you.
And tonight, if you need the gas service, bring you to go to restaurant or everywhere. You tell message me, I can go to.
Okay. We'll just take a rest and then go there.
Yep.
Okay. And so guys, friends, before we end the night, we're going to celebrate Hailey's birthday here in a local restaurant.
About 10 minutes, I can come back.
Okay, you come back. Okay.
Yep.
So, friends, this restaurant was suggested or recommended by Mr. Hong. Ang bait ni Mr. Hong. He gave a cake to Hailey. Binigyan niya. So, sinuggest niya na dito kami kumain in this Vietnamese restaurant. What is this? Tin King. So, Hailey, happy birthday. Are you going to treat us now na?
Yes.
It's your birthday.
No money.
No money, but have money for shopping.
So, honey, no money.
That's a different thing.
So that is... Wait, Mr. Hong!
Yeah,
You say hi to my vlog.
Yeah, thank you so much. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. So that is Mr. Hong, our driver. So if ever you're coming here sa Danang and you want yung mabait na driver, just leave your comment po and then I will gonna tell Mr. Hong kasi very recommended talaga siya and mabait talaga nagbibigay siya ng mga suggestions saan magandang pumunta kahit na alam mo naman yon yung tatanong niya lang what's yung itinerary niyo for tonight tapos sabi mo then magbibigay lang siya ng ideas without any yung bayad ganon without strings attached na siya yung kukunin mong driver.
That is rice paper. It is?
Alam na yan dyan.
Yo! Ooh!
Almost gabi na.
Peanut.
Yun, ganyan. Kalpo.
Paano kainin to?
Ganyan. Alinamnam, di ba? Sarap.
Hindi suka.
Tastes like the ocean.
Yeah. Tapos galing din kanina.
There's no fork.
Happy birthday!
Yan, no? Ano ba?
Marvin game na. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Ano ba yung tao?
Ayun na.
That's so many. Picture naman siya.
Now,
One more! Yay! after scenes, mga nagsikantahan yung mga ibang kasama namin kumakain. Tatry ni Hailey na ibigay yung cake.
We'd like to give you cake.
Thank you for singing. Thank you. Thank you. Ayan, yung binigay na cake ni Mr. Hong, binibigay na namin. Yay!
So excited naman.
So, what can you say about your birthday?
Asan na yung mga red and below?
Very good. Diba?
Yeah, thanks to your mom because she brought you here in Vietnam, right? But you say thank you to Mr. Hong.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Ayan, friends. So,
For the ride and everything.
what a great way to end our vacation here in Da Nang. Grabe, ang ganda ng aming ang ganda ng aming tour, ng aming trip. Everything went smooth and ends with a bang kasi birthday ni Hailey. So, thank you for coming with us here in Da Nang and in Hoi An. This is your friend Jaja Yang from Taiwan with Love. Bye!